Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. Hope everyone had a great day in the markets, and I had a great day in the markets. Winner, winner, chicken dinner! The chicken returns, and we are back on track. Actually, we were at one of our highest points in the last couple of months, so terrific news on that front. But just a great day all around in the markets. The Dow up 500 points, the S&P 500 75 points, and the Nasdaq 250 points. So just a terrific day in the markets today. Earnings season has kicked off, so definitely making a big impact on earnings. Banks are always the first ones to report earnings. And of course, the banks are to do good. You have so much money out there that's been given to the economy, and the stimulus money. And also the other thing for these banks is they got paid on these forgivable loans. So they got their fees, they got their normal, fees and like costs that they would normally charge for these loans. But they were guaranteed loans, so they basically didn't have to do a lot of approval work because the government ultimately gave the approval and ultimately gives the forgiveness on them. And I mean, this is like a pure profit center to the banks, trillions of dollars out there. So especially the larger banks, they definitely did terrific with all this. But let's not waste any time. Let's take a look at how we did today. Up $350,000. So the one play that we did make yesterday to roll out the 24 calls, it did take place at 46 cents. So we picked up an extra $150,000 into the progressive jackpot. So hypothetically right now with Lucid at $24.01, that means these 3,300 puts to open would be worthless on next Friday if Lucid's above there. Now, obviously, currently they are at 91 cents. There's about a 58-cent spread in between these. Our spread went off about 46 cents, but as it kept going, I was thinking Lucid would get to about 23.50, and that's where I did the move. I honestly, when it got up to like 24.10 today, I did not expect it to go that high. It just kept going and going. I was like, damn. Because earlier in the day, when the market was up really strong, Lucid was actually underperforming. At one point, it was actually down for the day a couple of pennies. Never went down too badly, but did go down to 22.50, and it closed yesterday at 22.59. So Lucid was kind of spooky. If you look at the chart for Lucid, it kind of was like, then it kind of got going a little bit. I was like, all right, this is nice. 30-40 cents, we were up 150,000, a nice little bounce back. And I was like, but remember last week, and this is where this stuff, especially on a Friday, this is where this stuff gets scary. If tomorrow Lucid, so this is 33 cents right now. If Lucid's at $24 tomorrow, this 33 cents goes away. So there's some extra money on the table. But like I said, I look at this as the progressive jackpot. We got 5.7 million now. We have 300,000 in the kitty. If Lucid next Friday above $24, we'll have $6,031,000 in the account. If Lucid next Friday is at $23.10, so we will have 5.7 million. This will still be 91 cents. If Lucid runs this week, or if Lucid maintains somewhere near the $24 range, we'll keep making money. Like I said, this is that progressive play. We want it as close to 24 bucks as possible. And later next week, if it's somewhere in this range, we roll it out again and pick up another $150,000, $200,000. So the closer, it was actually a perfect scenario this week for us. We got that extra 150 grand, and like I said, it's just a progressive jackpot. We're just getting that money until one day it's so far away that we don't roll it up or roll it out or anything. So hopefully that makes sense. That's what we're doing, and that's how it works. Mitchell Pilot, $5 super chat. Hell yeah. Thank you, Mitchell. Sanders, $2 super chat. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hashtag RMM. Thank you, guys. But definitely a terrific day in the markets. Big shout out from Lightware to all my financial advisors to suck it. It is funny. It's like, where are my financial advisors on days when the market is up? Christian says BBIG is still on fire. BBIG did come back. It had a strong day today. It was up like $1. So Lucid after hours, it was up for a little bit, 10 cents. Now it's down 13 cents. But like I said, it really doesn't make a big difference what it does right now. But yeah, BBIG today, up $1.55, 22%. So it's starting to rally back a little bit, but I don't know. Like I said, these meme stocks, I may play one of them here and there, jump in, but for now, I'm going to play the smart money and just keep printing money. And like I said, I want to have this account at all-time highs that by the end of the year. Hopefully we can get it up to $7.5, $8 million. So Bitcoin is still staying up there. Got a little bit higher, come down a little bit, but our Coinbase account last check was 70,583, and now 598. We're up a little bit more, so continues to go. But like I said, great day in the market. Can't complain, and definitely, hopefully, it continues. I would say, when you have such a strong rally, I mean, obviously earnings and stuff, but when you have such a strong rally in the markets like we had today. The markets have been shaky, of course, like I said, on earnings season, this is the time. The banks are going to do good. I don't think retail and some of that stuff is going to have as strong as a earnings as everyone, as banks and some other stuff. There's definitely going to be some industries that did a lot better than other industries right now. So it'll definitely be interesting how all that works out. Congratulations, Kyle. Started my Webull account today, Raja. Made $5. Congratulations. You can't lose no matter what. If you make 1 penny, you're ahead. Andrew, do you ever use Quiver Quant? It's a website that tracks stocks on Wall Street bets and more. I do not. I've never even heard of it. So, PDX. Hey, thank you for the stream. Very welcome. Django, Shibu, Inu, INU, I don't know. I don't own any Shibu, so don't know a whole lot about it, and just, it's the next Dogecoin. Who knows? Ryan, I'm up 140% on Baby Flocky Coin. Congratulations. Like I said, those random coins, you can make a lot of money and do stuff. There's so many of them out there. It's no different than meme stocks. Wall Street Bets every day has 5 or 10 picks. If you knew which one was going to fly, we would all be millionaires, billionaires maybe even. So, Marjorie Vargas Slots in the house. What's up, Marge? John, your predictions on SHIB? I don't know. I think I think it's like Dogecoin and all the other ones. If the coin stuffs are going up and Bitcoin's continues to go up, it's going to go up. If you see Bitcoin crash, then look for SHIB coin to crash with it. It's just the hot topic right now. Everyone's talking about it. So, just like Dogecoin. Remember Dogecoin at 7 cents, then 20 cents, and 22, 23 cents where it's at now. And I remember it on Saturday Night Live, Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live at 75 cents before it crashed. So definitely. Long shot plays and stuff on these coins. But you never know. Like I've always said, is for somebody like myself, it's a lot tougher. When you have an account, let's say you guys are playing with, $500, $1,000, $5,000, you put $1,000 in something, it goes up 10%, you make $100, that's a terrific investment. It's also very easy for you to get in and out of it, whether it's, a cryptocurrency, a meme stock, or any stock. When you're playing at my level and you have an account with, $5-6 million and you're trying to, make, if I go buy anything of $5 million, I'm going to move markets. And Apple, I'm probably not going to move that much, but a lot of these littler stuff, I can definitely move them. So it's a whole different animal out there. It's a whole different beast when you're playing with this kind of amounts of money and making trades and doing stuff. So it's always be careful with it. Lightware, ALO, goodbye now. You think? It's above its lows. Like I said, I think it had that big drop. I don't know why it dropped so much. It's coming back a little bit. Obviously, there was some negative news, probably on it. Kathy Wood's ARK funds build up big stakes in CRISPR stock. The stock tumbled. So I don't know. Anything that Kathy Woods is hyping lately doesn't seem to be doing well, except for Tesla. So who knows? Don't know anything about this one. So you gotta, I don't know. It's definitely better to buy it here than it was to buy it at $43. I'll tell you that much. But hard to say. When you look at the 6-month chart on it, it's been way down. You definitely got to figure out what caused it. This is a large drop. What happened here? If the news was that bad, I would definitely be careful. The company doesn't make any money. There's no dividend. Has a huge valuation, and year to date, it's way up. 5-year chart. So I don't know. It looks like it has some stabilization around the 20s, long term, but hard to say with these. They're all over the place. What is that other one? CRXX. God, I never think of the name of it. That one with that huge premium. I still don't understand that one. That's the one I wanted to check into and see what was going on with it, but still no clue on it. But Lucid, like I said, Lucid day, just a terrific day. Couldn't believe it. 6% gain today, which is insane. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back a little, and that's why I said I did the rollout. I really don't care. Tomorrow may go down a little bit. I mean, well, obviously, if Lucid goes down 10 cents, if Lucid goes down 10 cents, this will probably stay about the same. If it goes down 20 cents, this will go, we'll lose 30 grand tomorrow or something like that. But like I said, we're just building that progressive jackpot, and it's going to hit. I can tell you, the day they deliver cars this month, they said sometime, the next couple of weeks here, the day they deliver cars, this stock will definitely be above $24. Mark my words. There it is, CRTX. That's the one. Oh, I can't remember that one. CRTX today. How's that one today? So down a little bit. Like I said, I still can't figure out the volatility on this one, but there's no volume, so it's really interesting. Interesting what's going on with that one and stuff. Anissa says, when you first started in the stock market, how large of an account did you start with? What did you consider a good week back then? When I first started in the stock market, I probably started with, I don't know, $5,000, $10,000 30 years ago. Definitely totally different. There's also, 80% less stocks, than there is today. So that also, made it easier to pick stocks with a lot less to choose from. A lot of the stuff, back in my heyday was, Dell and, some of the, Dell and some of the processor, Intel back then, and, AMD and, so, a lot of that kind of stuff. So Microsoft, so totally different market today than it was then. And stocks really never flew. A good stock back then, I had one I had options on. I remember it was a big play. I made like $30,000, $40,000 on a couple of $1,000 deal because the stock got upgraded. It was like Friday expiration. It was a long shot. I was just looking, maybe double my, 10 cents, we'd go to, 20, 30 cents, and stock got upgraded. I had, I don't know, a couple hundred contracts, and it got upgraded and went up like $3 that day. And, I don't know, it was made all my 3-4 grand turned into $40,000. That was like my big play 20 years ago that I still remember to this day. Then I had all these other plays and scenarios I worked out. Had made millions of dollars, lost millions of dollars. So I've been there, done it. I understand these options inside and out. And I'm telling you, the puts to open strategy that I do and that you guys have seen me be doing and stuff, it's not sexy, it's not exciting, but gosh, it's going to make money week after week. Because even on weeks when you look at your account and you're down, it's still up because you're just building that progressive jackpot. So unless you just pick the wrong stock that just totally crashes because of something, but I can tell you stocks like, Lucid's more volatile and stuff, but stocks like Apple and different stuff like that, they're never going to crash. I mean, they're going to go down, but Apple will always be worth more, 10 years from now than it is today. I can guarantee you that. It'll be worth more next year than it is today. Look at Apple year after year. It's not going to come down. Yes, could it come down short term? Of course. Could we have another, shutdown in America? All the stocks could come down. Yes, of course. But Apple is going to be worth more money. So you just have to pick the right stocks that are going to go somewhere and continue to grow and do well and stuff. And have enough volatility, or Schwab allows you to trade enough contracts that you can make good money. What is good money? I don't know. I mean, if you can double your money every year, I think that's tremendous money. If you can make 10% a year on your money, you're doing really well, because if your money sits in the bank, you're making less than 0.5%. I don't even think you're making 1/4%. So 10% return, I think, is terrific. 20% return is through the roof. You double your money, it's incredible. You make 300% of your money, it's even better. So, but like I said, just always be careful and know what you're doing and stuff. But hey guys, thank you so much for joining us today for Raja Makes Money. Tomorrow we'll be back to our normal time. I have to take Jolene to a doctor's appointment this afternoon, so I had to do the show a little bit earlier. But I wanted to do it because it's such a great day. I hate just to post a picture. Next week, don't forget, we are off to Cincinnati, Ohio, Belterra Park. So no live shows next week on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, because I will be on the road. Maybe Wednesday. Actually, Wednesday I'll be back early enough, so I'll probably show Wednesday. But Monday and Tuesday next week, and no live shows, so just make sure you check out my posts to see how we're doing. But so far, terrific week, way up on the week. All-time highs we're back at for the last, since early July. So things are looking good. Hopefully tomorrow Lucid holds strong. Love it to go up 10, 20 more cents. Can't, or anything up, I'll take. But hopefully it doesn't go down too much. But it really doesn't matter because, like I said, we've rolled out, and it's gonna be a casual Friday, for me. Don't have to stress about it or worry about too much. But thank you guys so much for joining us for Raja Makes Money, and I will see everybody tomorrow, 4:30 Mountain Standard Time. Take care and have a great rest of your day.